G'day trendsetters, just a quick update here on my orange cauliflower. Looking amazing. And this head is just getting bigger exponentially each daily. Looking fantastic. I have broken a few leaves to fold over the top to keep it protected from the sun. But I think it's the sun also that brings out the orange. Now I planted 7 of these seeds and I got 6 up. This one I planted here in My Veggie Garden, and the other 5 I took to work. Out of those 5, 4 got eaten by rats and one's about half size and it hasn't formed a head yet. But this one here, I'm loving it. I'm actually not sure when to pick it. It's still quite tight, so it might get a bit bigger yet. I'll just check it daily, but not long now before I'm eating my orange cauliflower. So that's just a quick update for you. Let you know where my orange cauliflower is. I was a little bit worried there for a while. I'd just come up every day and check it and there was no head, Then all of a sudden this little head formed, and within, I reckon, just the last 2 weeks, it's gone from a little head that big to this. It's just happened like that overnight. Magic. I've also noticed here, while I've been here, quite a few white cabbage butterflies, so I'm going to have to start keeping an eye out for grubs. Make sure they don't get out of control. So far so good. There's one, there's one there, but something's already eaten it. So that's good. I must have a few parasites around that are giving me a helping hand. And that is the benefit of organic gardening, is once you get things on a roll and you do more and more organic methods, less spraying, less chemical spraying, the more Mother Nature will help you out, without a doubt. Anyhow, that's it. Catch you on the next video. Bye for now.